Welcome to AllFreePik tutorials.
Today, I am going to show you how to create vector wood cross-section in Adobe Illustrator. Please watch entire tutorial. Ellipse tool, shortcut L. Draw a circle shape R25, G25, B20. Copy, Ctrl C. Paste in front, Ctrl F. Make small circle shape. Eyedropper tool, shortcut I. You can pick color using with eyedropper tool. R95, G40, B25, R195, G120, B60. Copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F. R235, G190, B125. Swap fill and stroke. Shift X. Stroke 2 point. Add anchor point tool. Shortcut plus key. Add anchor points. Select anchor points using with the direct selection tool. Shortcut I and move down. Select circles and click on horizontal align center and vertical align center. Copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F. Make circle too small. Go to object menu and blend options. Tracing specify steps 30. Again go to object menu and blend and make Alt Ctrl B. Stroke width 3 point. Go to object menu and expand. Select all and go to object menu and path and outline stroke. Wrinkle tool. Double click on wrinkle tool. Width 50 pixel and height 50 pixel. Press over the edges for wooden effect. Warp tool. Press over the circle shapes. Blot tool. Just click on shapes. Finally, your wood cross-section shape is now ready. Please follow steps and it's easy way to create vector wood texture cross-section in Adobe Illustrator.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.